Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the immersive world of virtual reality, or VR, and exploring how it differs from augmented reality, known as AR. So, what exactly is VR? Virtual reality is a technology that immerses users in a completely simulated environment, shutting out the physical world. By wearing a VR headset, users can explore and interact with 3D worlds designed to feel as real as possible. VR has a wide range of applications, including gaming education training simulations, virtual tours. Now, let's explore how VR differs from AR. While VR immerses you in a fully virtual environment, AR overlays digital information onto the real world. For example, AR can display navigation directions on your smartphone camera, blending virtual elements with your actual surroundings. AR is commonly used in social media filters, interactive gaming retail experiences, real-time information displays. The future of both VR and AR is incredibly promising. With advancements in technology, we can expect even more immersive and practical applications, further blending the lines between our digital and physical worlds. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of virtual and augmented reality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights.